Hey there folks, new video for you guys. So what I have here is the Vision FG from Civivi. Civivi is kind enough to offer replacement clips. So this has a bent clip, and if you go to Amazon, you can get, there's different clips for different Civivis. This one's specially designed for the Vision FG and some other ones, but it's a milled titanium clip. And let me just show you. So here's the titanium clip that it comes with. Very nice, pretty lightweight. And it comes with titanium screws. So they give you two sets of screws, which is nice. I believe the Vision FG one is the type A, and then this is for the different ones. I'll put a screenshot here for the different knives that accommodates these titanium screws. But for today, we're going to be working with these titanium screws. All right. There they go. They already got some Loctite in there. One is a longer one. Put the longer one in there, put the shorter one in there. If you remember, Brian swapped out that screw right there, which was initially on this side. So I would imagine that's the longer screw. It is a T8, and then and don't ask me why the ones on the bottom are T7s. I don't know why they do it that way, but they did. So let's just take this screw out. Oh, there it goes. So that's not very long. So I'm just curious why they give us one so long. So I don't know. They have Loctite, but they come out pretty easily. Huh, interesting. So these screws, are considerably shorter than the ones they provide. So this is the ones they provided. Oh boy. Right there. And right there. And I guess that's because it is a milled clip. Right? So it's gonna have some depth to it. Makes sense. Makes sense to me. That clip is out. Let's pop it on. Now is that that's a T7. The T7 actually worked really well on the T8. Let's see what it does with this one. Make sure it's lined up nicely. Alright, looks pretty good. Okay. It's in there good. There it is. That's pretty nice. That is, I'm not gonna lie, that is, let me get these out of the way. That is pretty sweet. I mean, I guess I could do that, right? There it is. Is it rubbing? Nope. Does it play? Nope. Nope. Very cool. There it is. I just want to showcase that really quick for you guys. So in comparison to the bent clip, which was not bad at all, it was a deeper carry clip. Now it's not, but now I have the titanium one, with the titanium hardware, the original hardware. So you see the original hardware was steel, and the ones I replaced it with is titanium. Pretty cool. $13. They also have it in black. So if you have a black blade, the Vision FG comes in different colors, right? It's got the Damascus, different Damascus pattern. It's got the black coated blade. So if you want to get a black clip, you can do as your heart's desire. All right, guys. Peace.